In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting in Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and find the range of cells you want to format. Click on the first cell, then drag across the rest of the cells to highlight the full area. This is important because conditional formatting will only apply to the cells you select. If you choose a larger range than intended, the rule will affect all of those cells, so take a moment to make sure your selection is correct before moving on. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where many common formatting tools are located. In the ribbon, look for the Styles group near the middle. Inside that section, you will see the Conditional Formatting option. Click on it to open the menu. Once the menu appears, move your mouse over Highlight Cells Rules. This will open a side menu with several rule types you can use. For this example, click Greater Than. This option is useful when you want Excel to automatically highlight values above a certain number, making larger numbers easier to spot at a glance. A pop-up window will now appear. In the box on the left, type the number you want Excel to use as the threshold. Any cell in your selected range that contains a value greater than that number will be formatted based on the style you choose. Be sure to enter the value carefully, because this number controls which cells get highlighted. After that, go to the drop-down menu on the right side of the same window. Click the arrow to view the available formatting styles. These usually include different fill colors and text colors that help your data stand out visually. Choose the color or style you prefer from the list. Pick something clear and easy to notice, especially if you are working with a large spreadsheet. Once everything looks right, click the OK button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up window. Excel will immediately apply the conditional formatting rule to your selected cells. You should now see any values greater than your chosen number highlighted in the color you selected. This is a simple and effective way to make important data stand out without having to format each cell manually. That covers everything you need to know.